Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be making, in honor of Valentine's Day / wanting to eat a lot of chocolate because we can, we're going to be making raspberry and dark chocolate fudge brownies. I love these so much, and it's why we're making them on Valentine's Day, and you should make them for your boo / people that you care about because they will fall in love with you like that. They are that good. So for all you lovers out there, or single Pringles, these are the ingredients you're gonna need. 200 grams of brown sugar. Now we're using brown sugar because it helps make them nice and fudgy. 2 extra large eggs at room temperature and 1 egg yolk. Half a teaspoon of salt. 140 grams of room temperature unsalted butter. Then 200 grams of dark cooking chocolate, half a cup of white chocolate chips, minus a couple because we eat them while we cook, 120 grams of plain flour. I've just sifted this already, but you can always use a whisk to just get any lumps out. 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla bean extract or vanilla essence. And then this is just 1 punnet of raspberries, and I've just torn them into rough quarters, and then I'm just leaving 1 or 2 little raspberries to plate up because they look adorable. So these are really easy. They take a little bit of time in the oven, but they're really nice. You can make them ahead of time and always just warm them up in the oven or microwave before serving them. So I highly recommend you at least try these at some point because they are lit. But yes, so let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do to start is we're going to take our butter, dark chocolate and brown sugar and put it in a medium-sized saucepan on a medium-low heat until it all melts and it's ooey gooey deliciousness. And the thing I love about this recipe, which I didn't say before, you all just do it in one saucepan and then you pour it in a baking tin and you bake it. So little cleanup, I love it. Okay, so what we want to do, I've just taken my chocolate off the heat so that it cools down slightly. Now, when we add our eggs, we want to do what's called tempering them. So we're going to add a small amount of chocolate to our eggs, whisk them together. This basically will prevent us from having scrambled cooked eggs because no one wants that in a brownie. Then we're going to add it back in so it adds correctly. At this point, switch over to a whisk. This is just going to make sure everything's incorporated evenly, and when we add our flour that there's no huge lumps. Now add your salt and your vanilla. Now we're going to add our flour. We're going to add half first and whisk it around, then add our other half. Now we're going to add our white chocolate and our raspberries and fold it in with a spatula. You don't want to overmix this, just a few turns so that it's all evenly distributed. So in a 16 centimeter by 16 centimeter baking tray, so a square baking tray, we've lined it with some baking paper and we're just going to pour our mixture into the middle. And then with your spatula, just spread it out to the edges. Now you can also put these in a rectangular tin. They will just take a little bit less time to cook and they won't be as thick. But let's be honest, we want to give someone a nice, thick, juicy, warm fudge brownie, don't we? Yes, Elise, we do. Yeah, we do. Yeah. So put in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 50 minutes to an hour. If you're using a rectangular brownie tin, go for about 45 minutes to 50 minutes and then just insert a skewer to make sure it comes out dry and clean, and that's how it's done. Okay guys, that's how you make my adorable little heart-shaped brownies. I absolutely love them. I think they're adorable. Who wouldn't love to get a brownie in the shape of a heart on Valentine's Day? I think a lot of people would. And as you can see, we kind of only got 4 really good ones out of it because our cookie cutter was quite big. You can always do smaller ones or a huge one. Oh, a huge one would be fun. But you've also got all these beautiful cutouts just to eat. How amazing is that? This is all for you. These are for your friends. You get all the brownie. It's great. Have it with some ice cream, something delicious. Oh girl. All right, but let's try this. Come on, Flavia. I will give you a heart. You can have that heart. You can have that heart.
Aww.
I just want to eat this. All right, Charles.
Charles. Ooh.
The thing I like, we get the dark chocolate.
Wow.
It's got sweetness from it. Then you get a little bit of the white chocolate chips. And then you get a bit of tart raspberry. Oh, baby.
That combination is something else. Wow. That, and it's so fudgy. And
They're
just,
so soft.
Oh my gosh.
I cry.
It just like disappears.
It's gone. There's no calories associated to it, right? Yeah,
Not
totally.
at all.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, so good.
Yeah. Win anyone's heart with this, even your own. I mean, I love myself. I'm not that up myself, but I do like these. These are great.
These are pretty damn good.
I heart you. I heart you too.
Hey
guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.